Welcome to the Aston Maui Kaanapali Villas hotel tour. Wow, that's a mouthful. You could say that again. Wow, that's a mouthful. After Carter Porter, and right now we are in Hawaii. We're going to be here for a whole week, and right now we're doing a room tour of our hotel room. Well, not really a hotel room, like a house. It's huge. And right now, Dad's out getting all the stuff.
All the luggage, huh?
Yeah.
There's Carter's grandma over there dancing.
So, this is the room where Mom and Dad are gonna sleep. It's like so nice. It's like a little office.
Super nice. Look at that TV right there.
Too bad you didn't bring your laptop so you could edit this video like tomorrow.
Shh. I'm not doing that on vacation. Look at that window. It's raining outside.
Yeah.
Hey, get off my bed.
No.
All right. Following you.
And then this is your own little bathroom. It's
Sink.
gonna open here.
Oh, please. Unless Daddy farted in there. Sink. Shower.
These lights are totally broken. We have some tissues in case you feel a little something dripping. And here's another bathroom with a bunch of
Just a little,
decorations.
where's the light?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either. Okay, we can't find the light, guys. Sorry, but that's just a little half bathroom. Secret room. This must be the laundry. Yep,
That's where
laundry
you
room.
wash all the clothes off your clothes. And then up here.
You did? What?
This is where
Up the stairs. This is the master bedroom. And you can see out to the living area from right here.
You could like.
But that's supposed to be a surprise. We didn't show you guys that yet. And then the master bath. Carter, you're supposed to be showing everyone. Shower.
Room.
2 sinks.
And then
1,
right
2.
here is like the perfect spot to scare people. You come in. To the sink. And then you fall on the floor and they're
You
like,
scared me.
I need to go pee still. And a mirror and like a little dresser thing.
This is the living room. Look how fancy.
Sleeping on the couch, but it turns into a bed, which is
Wait, where's your bed?
the couch.
Oh, you sleep on the couch?
Yeah. And then this is what
Just-
Grandma calls
Whatever, Carter.
DVDs.
Oh, DVDs, but they're
Yeah.
actually books, guys.
That's
They're actually books,
that's
guys.
They're called books.
Look at this is the view, our little patio right here. Look how pretty.
It's so beautiful.
I know, right? I just want to rip my shirt off.
Little table.
Dining room.
Look at it's like a whole little corner of, if you open the windows, you can see out.
And don't forget to drink water too.
Yeah, water's good for you.
And then this is like the kitchen and then glasses. And then
Kitchen.
Yum yum. Ugh.
What was in there? Is that the fridge?
We have
What?
a fridge.
This is the fridge?
We have
A freezer? This is huge.
popsicle. Baba.
Wait, move. Look at that. That fridge and freezer is huge, guys. Look at this. Carter, stand next to it. Look at how wide that refrigerator is.
Like I'm not even that chunky.
And so then the kitchen comes
heavy.
out back to over here.
And
And here we are in the living room again.
Mom, it's done.
What?
Mommy, get me water. Hi. I
I don't think she sees ya.
Mama, I want
Oh,
to see.
there, she saw you now.
Mommy, I want to
Okay,
see.
here. Okay. See, Carter saw ya. Carter, I have a question. What is your favorite painting in this whole room?
Let's see.
Oh, shoot.
That one.
There's a lot of really cool.
That one?
Mm-hmm.
Outside on our patio. Let's show them how it looks from over here.
I don't have shoes on.
This is our room. Fancy, fancy. And
Super big.
the table outside.
It's super big.
Oh, look it. There's like a little pool and oh, let's go look over here. Come on. Let's go see. Take me over there. Show your Carter cornerstones. Look out here, guys. There's like a sink and some chairs and a like pool thing and sand toys. Wow.
Oh, look. What's
Oh,
that?
yeah.
Like flippers
Stuff-
and like a
Stuff to
soccer
play
ball.
with.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff here.
Look at all that greenness. Pretty. Look, we could go back in through there if we wanted, if it wasn't locked.
So overall, the whole house huge. It's gonna be a real, and I think it's just our first day. We like got off our flight a few hours ago. So I think this vacation is gonna go really well. And Carter Corner support CRTR. That's it. And don't guys want something new every day.
Bye-bye.
Thought I was missing something. Later that night, we were just walking along and came across this huge Vietnamese centipede. Remember Carter Cornerstones in my reptile wrap I told you about these? Look at those legs. There are more than 40. This is the longest centipede. It is no shorty. If you see one of these in the wild, you should never touch it because they are pretty venomous. This species is not indigenous to Hawaii, which means they were introduced to the island by humans. These centipedes can grow up to about 8 inches.
So we were walking along and I saw something on the corner of my eye just sitting there. It looked like a little lump. And it's a big old frog.
And it was just like staring up.
It's not my fault.
Probably the size of a tennis ball. There he is.
It's like chilling there, like nothing.
I know. I thought it was like a weird bird.
Preston, you looked down and said, it's a frog.
I want to see him jump again. Should I pet him? Oh, he bloated up when I touched him.
Mommy, I thought there was like a weird frog.
Yeah. Oh, a frog. Oh,
Oh, there he goes.
there he goes.
Bye-bye, froggy.